I just love it how it's like a natural hair curl. Like I kind of brushed out all the curls. I wanted to make it look really natural. The length is like perfect in my liking, and the front is a headband. So I don't know if you guys can see because it's kind of dark, but this is a headband strap. The head cap is lace, so it's like a net, and there's also clips that you can clip on if you have hair. The hairline is what I like because the hairline is a headband. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, and I just pull this in the front here. This is what it looks like. I decided to use my big hoops with my wig, and I like that the headband is like so comfy. It literally feels like I have a beanie on. So as you could see, the headband's like right here, and it covers the whole hairline, and the hair feels perfect. So this wig is called a Thallo wig. I love it. It's so comfy. It makes me look very sassy and cute.